How to save TikTok videos to your gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save TikTok videos to your phone gallery step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you simply have to find the video that you want to save. And here, once you have found it, simply tap on the share icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can see the option labeled as download. So simply tap on it, and here, once you do that, it will be automatically saved to your phone gallery or camera roll. And that's it. That's how you can save TikTok videos to your phone gallery. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.